you know, this is one of those like TikTok products that you see and you're just like, yeah, okay, whatever. But you buy it because you got TikToked. And then you get it and you're like, wait, it works? Okay, so housekeeping, right? It has a little hook so you can hang it. It fits very nicely in the palm of your hand. These up here, like when I saw it online, I thought, oh, that'd be so hard, but it's not. They're like these bendable little like silicone tips. I don't know how I lived without this now that I have it. You just went, okay, so you wash your hair, you know, you get your hair wet or whatever, and then put the shampoo. You can put it on here, but usually I'll just put the shampoo like on my hair and kind of start to work it. And then do this at the root and all around my head. Stop. It is like a spa treatment at home, and it helps to relieve so much like just stress on your head. And bonus round, I have a friend who has one of these and she said she uses it on her pet, like, you know, not only to kind of groom and brush, but to just like if they're not feeling well or whatever the situation. And she said that her dog, he like Pepper, that's his name, he loves it. So I thought I'd mention that. I don't have a pet. But this really helps to reduce like the greasiness. Now my hair is very oily, so if I didn't wash it like every single day, it was like Jiffy Lube called, they want their oil back. But since I started using this, I can literally go like 3 days before I start to see, okay, we're, yeah, like bordering not being able to go in public. But it just does, it helps to reduce that for some reason. You can also use it like as a scrubber for your body, like going up and down your arms and legs just to stimulate your skin and move stuff around. And another thing, I noticed this the other day because my nails were sort of lifting because it had been a while since I had done them. And you know when you're like shampooing and conditioning your hair and it gets underneath your fingernails, if your nails are like loose or your polish is lifting? Not anymore because I'm not driving my fingernails into my scalp. I'm using this. So for that reason alone, I love this. And they do have it in like 10 different colors. So if you have more than one person that's using a shower, you can each have your own. It also reduces dandruff, I'm guessing because it improves the condition of your scalp, which of course is gonna make your hair shinier, right? I mean, there's just nothing bad that's gonna come from using this. And then 2 other things. This is great for people who have extensions because you know how your hair gets to feeling like not so great? You can really get in there with this, but the word of the day is gentle, okay? Don't get in there. I mean, I've heard people like, oh, it gets tangled in my hair. Well, what did you do? Go in there like a tornado? I mean, no, be gentle. It's your head. If you're worried about tangling because you have super, super thick curly hair, you know, just slightly back and forth, left and right, left and right. I've never had it tangle in my hair, but you know, it's not like a hairnado experience for me when I'm in there. I'm being like a normal, you know, just kind of cleaning my hair. That's pretty much it. I love this. This would be a great stocking stuffer for the upcoming holiday season. It's just fantastic. So I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.